This could be the best carne asada you've ever had in your whole entire life. I'm going to show you how to make it. All right, we're going to have to pull out the beast for this one, courtesy of 73 Forge. Now what I got here is a whole bunch of cilantro. We're just going to chop that up relatively fine. This is where you get your chopping skills in order. Of course, you don't really need much skill with this monster. All right, for this marinade here, we're going to start out with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now, this is where my old recipe used to differ. I saw Sam the cooking guy use soy sauce in some of his marinade, and I thought, I'm going to try that. A tablespoon of cumin. A half a tablespoon of brown sugar. We're going to put in 3 cloves of garlic here. And number 3. All right, and we're going to do the juice of 1 lime. And we're going to do, I'm using this. Can you see that? This is just chipotle and adobo sauce. I'm going to use like one whole of those in there. Now goes in our bunch of cilantro. And we're going to go in with a half a cup of grapeseed oil. And we mix. Alright, now that we got that mixed up, let's go ahead and get in our... I'm using flat meat, but you guys are certainly welcome to use flank steak. If you can get your hands on some flat meat, though, I highly recommend getting it. And we'll just put there's 2 pieces here, and this is almost 3 pounds. Just want to get it in there really good. Let's go ahead and get this other one out here. And what I like to do is just toss it around like this. Make sure you get a good coating on everything. Alright guys, we got that all mixed up. Now we're going to just let this hang out. Now, decision time. You can either wait about 4 hours, just put a cover over it, put it in the refrigerator, let it hang out for about 4 hours, or even better would be cover it up and leave it in your refrigerator for 24 hours, then throw it on the grill or whatever method you plan on cooking it. So we're going to do 24 hours, so we'll see you in 24 hours. Alright guys, so it's been 24 hours. We got our KUDU Grill fired up here, just cleaning it up a little bit, and as you can see back here, we have a little bit of cherry wood smoking back there. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've had my steak here marinating up in this bag here, and I used the Vac-Master, which is the bomb diggity. Keep saying I'm going to do a video on that. We're using the beast again. Alright, where's my tongs at? Oh, here we go. Alright, so look, I'm probably going to lose you right here, because when I put this on, this stuff is going to smoke up something fierce. But here we go. Look at that. That is a massive piece of meat right there.
Looks like afterbirth.
I bet it ain't going to taste like afterbirth. That is good looking, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Carne Asada. This is the third time we've actually made this video. And we're doing it on the KUDU Grill. I love this KUDU Grill. And by the way, look, the oil's off there smoking. So Stebbin over at KUDU Grills. Hey man, I got some cherry wood on here, but I sure would like to have some of that African wood you got. It's gonna be delicious. The best Carne Asada you've ever had in your whole entire life. I think we're getting close here, guys, by the looks of it. Let's probe this bad boy. All right, let's take this off. Hey, that is the best tool you'll ever own if you're grilling, pretty much. Is a, I don't know, not necessarily a thermoprobe, but any thermometer you could get. So one of the things good about this meat here is, if you have family members that like well done or medium rare or rare, this is perfect because it's got all these different shapes here. So we're gonna see how we did. Let's let it rest for about 5 minutes. All right, let's go into this bad boy. Let's get right in here. I'm gonna cut against the grain here. Get into this thick part. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's give it a try. Is this the best Carne Asada ever? I think so. But I will say this, I'm going to just be quite honest with you guys. This is a killer recipe, even just as good as my own personal recipe. But you know what the key to this? It's not the soy sauce. It's cooking it on an open fire, in my opinion. You could just hit this with some salt and it would be just as killer. I want to give a shout out to 73 Forge. Thank you for the knife. Brandon over at Triumph Screen Printing sent me this shirt. And guys, make sure like, share, subscribe. The best Carne Asada ever. Do it.